TikTok Business Manager platform. Like I said, this is the basics of starting a campaign. When you don't have a business platform already, you can go to business.tiktok.com and create an account. This is how it looks. So the business platform does have a business center. Here you can see where you can manage users, you can decide to manage your assets, the advertising accounts, add users to that if you have an agency or want multiple people to work on it. You have your ads manager where you manage your ads, you put your campaigns in, and you have the creative center. And the creative center is something interesting. This is a platform within TikTok where they offer 3 functionalities. In my opinion, 2 really cool ones. So the first one is you can really dive into what works for TikTok. So they have like an example of working TikTok ads that really perform well in their market. So you can see why they do work well, you can get inspiration out of them, maybe get like a best practice out of it. And second of all, you have a trend topic. So you can see what's really trending at the moment.